Hi everyone. In this video, we'll learn about how to enable WSL. WSL means Windows Subsystem for Linux. So some people might work on virtualization concepts. So for example, Ubuntu and Docker. So for enabling Docker and Ubuntu environments in Windows, so WSL should be enabled mandatory. In this video, I'll explain how to enable WSL in Windows machine. First of all, we'll go to control panel. So here you can see turn Windows feature on off. If you click on this, there is a pop-up you can see here. For example, I'll show you one more time. For me, I have already enabled, for example, here you can see virtual machine platform and Windows hypervisor platform. And here you can see Windows subsystem for Linux. So please enable these three mandatory. So this is the first one and this is the second one and this is the third one. This is the WSL Windows subsystem for Linux. Click on OK. If required, please restart your machine. And after that, how you can check WSL was enabled or not. So for search purpose, simply you can go to task manager. I have already went to task manager. Here you can see under the task manager, you can go to CPU. Under the CPU, you can see here virtualization enabled. So if you can see like this, virtualization was enabled. That means a WSL was enabled in your machine. You are ready to work on any virtualization related topics. So for example, Docker and Ubuntu, you can install. Yeah, this is about this video, guys. Stay tuned for more content. Thank you, everyone.